Hello, in this video I will show you how to divide an object into two separate objects. Use cube, cone or other figure. Select the object, press Tab on the keyboard and go to Edit mode. Then select one face, press P on the keyboard and separate selected geometry. Go back to Object mode and move that face. Now you have two separate objects. The same thing you can do with other object. To select multiple faces, press S on the keyboard. ZK on the keyboard to go to wireframe mode. Wireframe mode will help you to select specific faces. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.